Hey, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now. Thank you for tuning in. Coming up in today's headlines, it was a big football weekend as HISD fought to stay in the playoffs. Our first school choice fair was a huge success, and Campus Close-Up takes us to Stevens Elementary. It is Monday, November 17th. Starting things off with sports, the first round of football playoffs is in the books, and Yates is moving on. They beat Needville 50-24 over the weekend. It is their first postseason victory since 2011, and they will take on Pine Tree out of Longview on Friday night at Crockett High School at 7:30. Lamar High School also headed to the second round of the playoffs after beating Cy-Fair on Friday night 35-24. They will be taking on Strake Jesuit Friday night at Del Mar. Game time is 7 p.m. and several teams played their final game of the season over the weekend. Congratulations to Wisdom, Waltrip, Wheatley, Worthing, Heights, and Westbury. Great job this season. Well, HISD held its first school choice fair at Northside High School on Saturday. This is ahead of the school choice application opening on December 9th, where families can apply to any school in the district. At the fair, families got to learn more about our neighborhood, magnet, and specialty schools and the different program offerings like IB, dual language, gifted and talented, Montessori, and so much more.
So we have school choice fairs once a month from now through February, in a space available fair in April. And as you can see, we have representatives from our schools here, and you get to talk to someone at each campus and really learn more about their program. So we encourage you to bring your student, talk to them about what your student loves to learn, what they hope to do, maybe in middle school, high school, and even beyond. And it's just a really great opportunity to learn about schools and also from our other departments. So we have representatives from GT here, early childhood, career technical education, and it's just a great place to learn more.
The next school choice fair is happening Saturday, December 13th at Mickey Leland. To learn more about the school choice process, go to our website, schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. If you would like to visit one of our magnet schools, schedule a tour through that school's website. Well, Campus Close-Up this week takes us to Stevens Elementary. We spoke with Principal Taryn Ellison about the school's incredible academic growth and what makes the campus so special. The dual language campus is also a STEAM magnet with a maker space, plus fun dyad offerings like karate, dance, and soccer. Catch the full conversation up now on our YouTube channel, and be sure to tune in all this week for more stories from Stevens. Well, families in need of food assistance, our Sunrise Centers are holding distributions this week. Take a look at the schedule. Tomorrow's distribution is at the YDC, Wednesday at Mission Milby, Thursday at Marion Park Community Center, and Friday at Brock. All distributions are from 8:30 until noon. Find more information on our Sunrise Centers and the services provided on our website under the Families and Students tab. Hey, thank you for tuning in to today's headlines. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share our videos. Have a great night, and we will see you back here tomorrow.